fans and subscribers and followers around the world. We have done some clearing to an extent, which I'll be showing us in the video. In short, the video is already out. Just go and check out my playlist about clearing my farm. You will see the complete video, but we are not done yet. We are still clearing. So here like this now, we want to start to plant one or two things, you know, instead of just clearing and allowing the place to stay wasting. You don't understand? So it's important for us to start putting one or two things on the ground. So you understand the point? So here like this, there were already heaps which I made here some time ago. So I want to quickly use these heaps now to plant one or two things. And what you have to do for me is, if you'll be following my channel, or this is the first time you're seeing my channel, what you have to do for us is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. So here like this now, we want to retill the soil, and this is how we're going to be planting how is it called? We are going to be retilling this soil, and I have some seedlings here with me. This is okra seedlings. So we are going to retill these heaps, just this one, and then let's just put something on the ground. You understand? Let's retill it. Stay with me on this video as we retill these heaps right now. There were already heaps here, so yeah, I know this thing would have been done with shovel, but we move. So this particular place, you know, all this place, there were heaps which I made those bed for planting. So let's go. We want to start. We don't want this video to be too long. So these are what is the name of this? These are okra seedlings. Okra seedlings. Can you see it? Now, we want to start planting them. We'll be putting them 3 in a hole. Yes, normally I was supposed to put like 2, but it's too many. So I know one will not, this particular heap will not accommodate all, but for the sake of this video, we'll be making it 3. So stick with me. Let's go. And now I would have used a standard planting method. We will see to the very end how all of these okra seedlings which we have put in the ground, and we will be sticking to the very days, how many days it will take for this to start sprouting. If you know, hit it in the comment section. If you don't know, just stick to this video, and in the next video we'll tell you how many days it takes for these okra seedlings to start sprouting. See you guys in the next video. This is one that is left.